Welcome to my channel Kanwal Sidhu. In today's lecture session, we will discuss the contribution of Henry Fayol towards management. In this lecture session, we will discuss 14 principles of Fayol. We will also discuss the management functions which were given by Henry Fayol. So for easy, simple and precise lecture sessions, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Henry Fayol was the French industrialist who contributed to administrative management approach. He divided various industrial activities into basically six groups. These groups included the technical group, commercial, security, accounting, financial and managerial. Fayol mainly focused on managerial activity. The 14 principles of management was also given by Henry Fayol, and these principles played an important role in managing business operations. These principles also apply to political, religious and other organizations. And due to his contribution, Fayol is regarded as the father of modern management. So now let's first discuss the 14 principles of management. Fayol recommended that there should be proper division of labor. The division of labor increases the overall productivity of the business organization. Speed and accuracy also improves with it. The division of labor should be both for the managerial and as well as for the technical work. Fayol also suggested that there should be a balance between the authority and responsibility. By authority, we mean that it gives the right to pass order, whereas responsibility is the obligation to do any particular work. So, giving authority without responsibility or giving responsibility without authority will create trouble for the business organization. Then, for proper and smooth functioning of business organization, discipline is also required for both the management and as well as for the workers. All rules should be clear and there should be unbiased behavior within the organization. The principle of unity of command suggests that only one command should be there to give instructions. The unity of command avoids unnecessary confusion and conflict. Along with the unity of command, there should be a unity of direction. It means all the employees should work to achieve common goals. They should work in a particular direction. Or we can say that there should be proper goal alignment. The organization's interest should be given priority over any individual's interest. One of the Fayol's principle also states that there should be fair wage structure. The wage structure should be based or it should be designed on the basis of work, the cost of living and the prevailing wage rates in the business systems. Fayol also suggested that centralization and decentralization of businesses should be based on organization size and working. There should be a balance between the centralization and decentralization in a business organization. Then there should be proper chain of command or a scalar chain should be there, which means presence of a clear line of authority from top to bottom. This also allows a proper flow of information within the organization. There should be principle of equality within the organization. No employee should be given favors and same wage system should be for the employees who perform similar jobs. The organization should be well organized. There should be social as well as material order within the organization. The principle of order also suggests that everything should be at its place. It means right person at right place at right time. Apart from these principles, Fayol also laid stress on providing stability to the employees. He also said that employees should be encouraged to perform better. Fayol also highlighted the importance of team spirit for the business organization. The concept of team spirit develops harmony at work and promotes a sense of understanding among the employees. It also improves the mutual trust among the employees who are working at different levels at different places in a particular organization. So these are the 14 principles which were given by Henry Fayol. So after discussing the 14 principles, let's also go through the functions of management given by Henry Fayol. This we have already discussed in the lecture session related to the concept of management. The first function is planning, by which we choose the best from the available alternatives required to perform a particular work or task. The planning is separately done for short term and long term goals. The second function is organization. To organize a business and start its operations, we require building, raw materials, tools, employees, and capital. Fayol classified these things into material organization and human organization. The third function is the commanding, or sometimes we call it leading. According to Fayol, to carry out all the management activities in a proper manner, a manager is required. The manager should lead the whole organization from front and should guide every employee in achieving the organizational objectives. Fayol also suggested that coordination between various departments of a business organization is very important for its smooth functioning. Coordination also helps in proper alignment of goals. Finally, control is required so that every process in the organization is completed properly in a given particular time period. Controlling also removes any kind of errors by taking corrective actions. During controlling process, everything is verified to improve the efficiency and accuracy of the business organization. So these are the 5 management functions which were given by Fayol, which improves the overall functioning of every business organization. So this is all in today's lecture session. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest lecture sessions related to BBA, BCom, MBA, MCom and other business related topics. You can also mail me on my email which is given below if you require any kind of lecture session on any particular topic. These are some of the UGC NET exam MCQs based on today's lecture session. Thank you.